Hello! Welcome to my day 12 of my math vlogs. So today in class, we discussed the usual. Usually it always has to have a proof. We are not an expert at proving yet. And that's to say because there is really no system. It's usually patterns and subjective analysis, and that really trains your mind to learn how to think the way in order to get the final answer. And usually, it's very difficult to limit yourself with these proofs and these statements. Usually, you're going to question yourself, is this sufficient enough? Did I prove it correctly? In the end of the day, did I learn something? Did I get the right answer? It's something you always panic about. And you're saying, why? How? When will I pass? It's not something that would come to me very easily, nor would it be something that I understand as quickly. But then in the end of the day, I still have progress. And I'm sure the only thing that matters is that you have progress and you keep moving forward. But I learned that through these difficulties, it's not something that I should go at a fast pace. It's not something that I can be like, I need this step in order I can go to the next step. No, sometimes actually you can go to the next step and you can backtrack. It's not always moving forward, and moving forward is only one way. It's like answering a quiz, any other quiz in fact. If you're stuck on a number, you skip to the next one. Or else all your time's gonna be consumed in one number, and in the end of the day you won't be able to go anywhere. You're just stuck. And that's how moving forward also works. Moving forward from one problem and saying, no, I can do the next one. And, sometimes it's a leap of faith, Sometimes you're like, once you're there, you're there. You can't go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Or else you'll be lost. And you'll make a clutter in your mind, in the process of your thinking. And it just won't make sense. Quizzes. Some quizzes, I'm like, yes, it's a quiz, I can test myself. But other times, I say, it's a quiz. It's troubling. It's something I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of a paper. I'm afraid of being tested. It's like I'm afraid of certainty that I have sufficient knowledge or I'm capable of something. And that's surprising. Why should I be afraid of something that simple? Or in that matter, why should I be afraid of something that I shouldn't even be afraid of? It should be something that I should just take it and go. Just take it and go. It's something I say, this is gonna happen, prepare yourself, and release it. Because that's every day. That's literally every day. And just this is every day, I can be like, I have honor. I have dignity. I have strength. I have the power to go through it. Knowing that I should not be afraid. And in the end of the day, I do my best. And because I have this honor within myself, I at least have courage. At least I have confidence. And I certainly cannot have confidence if I don't study. And the studying should always come firsthand. It should always come something that should always be given to me and I take the next opportunity. But then, I can't really say that because my last quiz I failed. But not miserably. Well, I did fail miserably, but not as bad as I thought. In fact, if I answered 3 more things correctly, then I would have gotten a good grade. And it's so close. It's like you can almost taste the victory. You can almost you could see the award. You could see the gold glistening in your eyes and say, I love you. But you're so far away that I cannot get you. It's something that's like, you just want to grasp and you want to take control of. Something you just want to embrace. Something that is so cherished, but you cannot attain it. And it just makes it more longing, more delicious to attain. How do I take it home? How do I tell myself that this is good? And this is not just with honor, but it's something I can understand myself. It's that if I already know my downfall, I can say, I have fallen down here, therefore I will never fall down there again. I will watch that sign that says wet floor, and I will scoot around it. And I will move forward. Because moving forward is the only way of moving. Unless, you just don't understand things and you have to go back. But then, the whole point of doing things is to keep on moving forward. And when you keep on moving forward, that way, you can say, at least I can pick myself up from here and bring myself here. Something I should always keep in my mind. Because then, you always have the doubt of forgetting that you can move forward, that it's never too late, and I should never lose hope. Right now, I'm still on my journey. Right now, I'm still not 100% successful. But at least, I have an open mind to say that I've made it. And although I had help, I had people mend my wounds, and I had people to lean on, to go forward, at least then, I'm still moving forward. And in the end of the day, I can stand on my own 2 legs and say I can do it. So thank you for watching this very philosophical vlog. And hope you can see the next one.